Welcome everybody to Tailspin Farms. In today's episode, we're going to play with fire. Do I want Renee to play with fire? No, I don't. But I know how to dial 911 if something does catch on fire. But we are going to be cleaning some cages. And I saw her out here playing with my propane torch, and I'm like, well, that cartridge is gone. So I was like, let's move this up a notch. So this is going to be much faster. We'll see how she deals with it. So Renee's scared. I mentioned that I was going to show her how to play with fire. She's scared of the fire, which is probably a good thing. So as you can see, there's lots of straw, there's droppings, and we do a lot of scraping throughout the year, but sometimes you just gotta get everything out of there, and the best way to do it is to burn it. So easy enough. And might I also premise, it's just rained this morning, so everything's wet, and even I shouldn't catch everything on fire. All the hair. Oh yeah! Get wrecked! And it's therapeutic. It's a lot of fun. Burning poop. Yeah, get wrecked, get wrecked. And whatever's left is going to scrape right off easy. It's going to be just all dried up.
Okay guys, you just saw Scott doing the propane burner for me. I think I can do it, but I wanted him to do it first. So he got it all done. I just wanted to show you, he's gone back to work. He just came out to help me for a second. I am playing catch up still. Obviously, I am 6 weeks post-op and I'm about 90-95%. So I'm feeling really good. But I'm way behind. And I have another video that I'm working on today. Hopefully you can hear me with the trucks. I'm gonna have another video I'm gonna be working on today in regards to that. But I am playing catch up and trying to get my spring that's turned into summer barn cleaning done. And I'm starting with a couple of cages and things like that and shifting some rabbits. And so I just wanted to show you this, but essentially, and you're even burning the poop off is what you're doing. Let's see, I need to let me grab my scraper here. I usually have my grill scraper, but I think it's in my Jeep still. From when I did the Homesteaders Conference, I took it with me to show what I use, and I think it's somewhere in my Jeep because I can't find it. So I have this right now. And once you burn this, it just falls right off. It's crispy, and I'm gonna go through and just scrape. Hopefully you can see that. But yeah, that's all it takes. And I am soaking bottoms. I don't have any more. I used the last of my cleaner last week when we did cages. Scott's still helping me with cages. This is the heavy lifting stuff. So he was still helping me with cages last week, and we used the cleaner that I usually do in the barn and stuff, and I used that up, and I haven't gotten any more. So I just am using Dawn dish soap and soaking that, and then I'm gonna hose off this cage and do some scraping with the brush and some Dawn in there and get it all cleaned up. So I hope this was helpful. My daughter-in-law actually taught me this trick years ago, and I thought that it was just one of those things that everybody knew, but then I posted a video, a reel, and got quite a few comments and messages from people that had no idea you could do that. So yes, use a torch. It saves you so much time scraping and trying to hose off fiber and straw and even the poop. It takes it right off. Scott was here for maybe 2 minutes, and that was it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you're having a fantastic day, and I hope you're creating something today. Bye. And real quick, because I know people are going to ask, these cages I have had, probably mid 2000s, 2010, 2012 is what I'm thinking, and I love them. I've always loved them, but I don't believe the company is still in business. Last time I checked, I'll show you the name of the company real quick. It is Warren. It's Clubberance, and they're out of Wisconsin. Time I checked with them, I actually called them because I wanted to order some, and they still had their website, but I think they had the pieces and parts to make them. So you can order the frame, like not the frame. You could order the pieces to put the cage together. I don't know that they're still doing that. Before I post this video, I will check their website again and see, but I have loved these cages. They have been amazing. They're not supposed to be stackable, but I have stacked them. I've had them stacked 2 or 3 at a time. And again, I've had them since 2010, 2012. And so they are really good cages. And if the website is there, I will put it there. And if you, like I said, the last time I checked, they had the pieces and parts to make your own cages, which isn't that difficult. You just need the clips, the J-clasp, I think is what these used, and the little tool, and you can make them really easy. So they are well-made cages. So I just wanted to pop that in here.